Tesla has introduced an innovative retail concept called the Tesla Giga Laboratory. Despite transitioning to online sales and abandoning physical stores in 2019, the company continues to expand its retail network, and the first Giga Laboratory has emerged in China. In this unique store in Chengdu, visitors are treated to an extraordinary experience. A chance to witness the assembly of a car in 45 seconds. This impressive show showcases Tesla's manufacturing technologies and creates a unique magical experience for customers. Over the past 3 years, the number of Tesla's physical offices has more than doubled, reaching the milestone of 1,000 offices. This is particularly significant in competitive markets like China, where retail stores play a crucial role in promoting electric vehicles. In line with the notion that Tesla is primarily a manufacturing company, the new retail concept, Tesla Giga Laboratory, aims to integrate this production aspect into the customer experience. The company demonstrates not only the assembly process but also the technologies used in the transmission of the vehicles. This event underscores Tesla's commitment to innovation not only in automotive technology but also in the ways it interacts with customers. The Tesla Giga Laboratory marks the first step in creating a unique space where technology and the retail experience come together to impress and inspire customers.